Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start with our new topic of environmental engineering. So, here's the topic: Introduction to treatment and disposal of wastewater. So, why a treatment is needed and how the wastewater should be disposed, that we will study in these slides. So, treatment of wastewater. Firstly, we will go with the treatment process. So, what is written is, in heavily populated area, both domestic and commercial wastewater is treated using central collection and treatment system. The wastewater is transported via a collection system from its origin and location and central location where it is treated and disposed. See, we have household waste. Okay, we remove various waters from the populated area from our houses. Similarly, this waste also comes from the industry, and now both these waste from household as well as industry, they are taken to a place at a central location where they need treatment. After the treatment, it is governed that either it can be reused, or it can be thrown away, or it can be utilized in some other purposes or not. That is seen after the treatment process. So the wastewater treatment is put under following processes. There are four processes, that is preliminary treatment, primary treatment, secondary treatment, and tertiary or advanced treatment. So, what is preliminary treatment? Preliminary treatment is the process where suspended solids, colors, domestic waste is removed to neutralize the pH. Okay, the due to this waste, there are difference in pH level. It can be more basic, it can be more acidic. So, what is the primary concern is, we have to neutralize this pH value. Okay, neutralize this pH value and remove all the suspended particles from it. That is the main preliminary stage. What do we do in our primary stage? In the primary stage, the tanks are designed in such a way so that it can remove inorganic and organic solid by the process of sedimentation and flotation. Okay, what is sedimentation? Something which settles down is sedimentation. And one, what is flotation? The thing which are of lower density, they float, so that is flotation. So in primary treatment, the velocity of flow is reduced to maintain a suitable condition so that the material denser than water, okay, will settle out, and the material less denser than water will float. So these two processes are and flotation. Now, what is in the third process is, it is secondary treatment. It consists of biological treatment of water by using various microorganisms in a controlled environment. So what we do is, we take some microorganisms, we put them in this treatment plant, and we do a biological treatment. What is the fourth treatment? That is, the fourth step is the tertiary treatment or advanced treatment. Okay, if the water produced is required to be of high quality, means if we desire water quality of very high standard, then the advanced wastewater treatment is carried out. Okay, so what is the basic purpose of this? The basic purpose of this advanced treatment is the removal of suspended solids to maintain the BOD, plant nutrients, to check all these things, to see the how much dissolved solids are present. If it is there, then remove it. To check how much amount of toxic substances is there. If it is present in a large amount, then we have to remove it. So for that, a tertiary and advanced treatment is carried out. So this is the treatment of wastewater. Now, after the treatment process, we have to decide that where we have to dispose it. Either it is for our usable purpose, or we have to throw it out. So next topic is disposal of wastewater. See, wastewater coming from sewage treatment plant may be disposed of in water bodies like rivers, ponds, streams, or lands. The wastewater can be used for irrigation in low grade industrial uses. So this wastewater which is coming out after these many processes are seen or checked by the engineers, by the environmental engineers, that whether they need to be disposed of or they can be used. See, there are three things. We can dispose them of in rivers, ponds, streams. Okay, the second thing is, we can use them in industrial use where low grade of water is available or required. And the third process is irrigation. We can easily use these water in irrigation purposes. Disposal of wastewater in river causes organic and chemical microbiological pollution. So this, if we this wastewater is submitted in river, or it is thrown in some dams, or it is disposed of in any stream or like that, we will pollute that. Okay, so what is the maximum tactic? The maximum tactic is, it serves two purposes, that is irrigation and disposal purposes. So what we should do is, we should think, we should check, and we should dispose this wastewater in a irrigation land, so that the farmer who requires water gets water for irrigation. And the second thing, the disposal of wastewater is also done. The third important thing is, these wastewater are also good and rich in some of the nutrients, so it is also good for fertilization purposes. So thank you for this video.